guys, I am Amanpreet Kaur
And I'm Bhavika.
and you're watching
Boldmates.
Welcome to our podcast, guys. And Bhavika और मैं I think कल ही मिले हैं and we were talking about a lot of things. तो काफ़ी controversial statements
आजकल pass on हो
pass
रही हैं.
on हो रहे हैं आसपास. So we were just watching some reels and we started discussing about it and then we were like, bro, we need to talk about it on our podcast.
Yeah.
So yes, today we are going to be discussing about some controversial statements and our take on
them.
them.
Yes.
So yes. Okay, first let's start with the usual thing. What's up, Bhavika? How is it going? How's life?
Life has been tough and rough, but I've been trying to keep up with it. And I think we all need a therapist now. These days, people are just in a rush
Life
all
is
the
actually
time.
tough. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday I posted a story. ये तो ये Mercury retrograde साला खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. एक शुरू हो रहा है तो दूसरा शुरू हो रहा है. And March was like not good for me. March was really a bumpy ride for me. I think April, I hope it brings good things.
Yeah.
And yeah,
But it also made me realize that we keep on ignoring ourselves and we keep on running in this rat race. I think our own mental health and our own health is very important.
Right.
And for me, it was like I need to pause and think about myself also.
Yeah. That's what we're talking about in the other podcast also. कि जान है तो जहान है. If you're, you know, at the end of the day, the money, the hustle, the bustle, it's all just gonna go away. It's your body that's gonna be with you. So take care of it, because once your body, you know, it stops working, or if your health is not okay, nothing is fine. Nothing is fine. Nothing really matters. So मतलब वो सारी चीज़ें आपको बहुत छोटी लगी. हार्ट ब्रेक भी छोटा लगेगा. वो फ्रेंडशिप जो टूट गई वो भी छोटी लगेगी. So at the end of the day, I think it's your body that matters. So guys, please take care of your mental health, and that's like really important. But you know what, from the mental health thing also, I have kicked out a lot of people in the month of March out of my life. And I have really confronted a lot of people जो मेरे मन में बात थी. Now I feel really light. And मुझे लगता है कि जो लोग अभी चले गए, एक मार्च थ्योरी होती है ना, मार्च में सब एंड हो जाता है. एक न्यू साइकिल अप्रैल में स्टार्ट होती है. सो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है मार्च में जो आपको छोड़ के जाता था वो कभी आपकी लाइफ में वापस नहीं आता. सो आई थिंक ये कुछ ऐसा तो होता है मार्च थ्योरी में. कुछ ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि मार्च एक थ्योरी होती है. देयर इज अ थ्योरी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आई सॉ इट कि आई थिंक मार्च इज लाइक द एंड ऑफ the year basically. वो कहते हैं ओल्ड साइकिल्स मार्च में एंड होती है एंड अप्रैल इज द न्यू बिगिनिंग. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मार्च में जो लोग आपकी लाइफ में से चले जाते हैं, आई थिंक वो फॉर एवर चले जाते हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
आई होप सो.
या सो व्हाटएवर. Okay guys, so let's get into these controversial statements that actually that we were talking about yesterday. And I really think I mean ऐसे ऐसे statements आजकल लोग पास कर देते हैं, and like I need to have some good take on it now.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so first statement is emotional cheating is worse than physical cheating. What do you think, Bhavika? Tell me.
I believe nothing is worse. I think I think both of them are just worst. Cheating is cheating. In my case, I would not accept emotional as well as physical cheating. And
what according to you is emotional cheating? Tell me.
According to me, emotional cheating is when you find you find somebody else and you try to confine in them emotionally. And I believe जब ये हो जाता है कि तुम किसी और से बातें करते हो और किसी और के साथ ज़्यादा क्लोज आ जाते हो और उनसे अपनी मतलब वो चीज़ कन्फाइनमेंट ढूंढते हो बिकॉज मे बी योर पार्टनर इज़ बिजी और मे बी समथिंग इज़ ऑफ इन योर कनेक्शन. That is emotional cheating.
यार honestly I feel physical cheating तो direct cheating ही हो गई, but emotional cheating मुझे लगता है एक level के बाद emotional cheating को मैं cheating consider करूँगी. That's my take. I mean, yeah, I mean texting another guy or and if my partner does not know about it.
Yeah.
But it can be for some work or there's something, you know, it's not romantically going on, but there's something that I cannot tell my partner, and there's still a lot of things like related to work also, some personal things जो होते हैं, like not even with guys, even with my girlfriends जो शायद मैं अपने partner के साथ share नहीं कर सकती, but of course मैं हम girlfriends वाली चीज़ को compare नहीं कर सकते. But I don't know, I think emotional cheating after a level emotional cheating becomes cheating मेरे हिसाब से.
Yeah, I mean you've explained it very well because इमोशंस हम किसी के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं, बट यू कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली कॉल इट चीटिंग. बट ऑफ कोर्स इफ इट इज़ गोइंग इन द वे जहाँ पे आप किसी और को ज़्यादा अहमियत दे रहे हो इमोशनली, उसके लिए अवेलेबल हो
रोमांटिकली
रहे हो,
इन्वॉल्व हो.
रोमांटिकली
कभी
इन्वॉल्व
कभी
हो
हम
रहे
ऐसी
हो.
भी रील्स देखते हैं जहाँ पे गर्ल बेस्ट फ्रेंड गाय बेस्ट फ्रेंड की बातें होती है इतना, बट बहुत टाइम ऐसे, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि लोग चीट नहीं करते, करते हैं बहुत लोग के साथ, लड़का हो या लड़की हो बुरा होता है,
Right.
बट समटाइम्स वो जेन्युइनली फ्रेंड्स भी होते हैं, एंड समटाइम्स पार्टनर्स को बहुत इशू होता है कि
Issue
ऑपोजिट
होता है.
सेक्स का फ्रेंड है, एंड कभी कभी वो सीरियसली बड़ा जेन्युइन रिलेशनशिप होता है. एंड आई थिंक कभी कभी मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है कि वो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स या बॉयफ्रेंड्स के साथ ऐसे हैंग आउट करना बंद कर देते हैं.
That is worst.
बहुत बार कर देते हैं, एंड कभी कितनी बार तो छुप छुप के अपने फ्रेंड से मिलते हैं, छुपाना पड़ता है जस्ट बिकॉज वो ऑपोजिट सेक्स के. एंड आई हैव सीन so many
You're
couples.
telling me opposite sex. My ex used to, he doesn't used to like it when I used to talk to my girlfriends also. So I mean,
That's
there
why
are
he's your
toxic
ex,
people.
na?
Yeah, that's why he is
That's
my
why
ex.
he's your ex.
Definitely.
हाँ, that thing I agree with it, because ये यार ये toxicity भी हो जाती है. कभी कभी यार ऐसे भी होता है कि people are not cheating, and कभी कभी ऐसे भी हो सकता है people are cheating. So my take on this is that I think emotional cheating becomes cheating after a certain point. It depends. It totally depends on the
Of
situation.
course.
Physical cheating is of course cheating, but then again, I can be cancelled for saying this, that emotional cheating is not cheating. I'm not saying that emotional cheating is not cheating. I just feel after a certain boundary, it actually turns into cheating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
What do you feel if you're in a relationship and your guy, he likes किसी और का picture, is it cheating?
I think it is. I would not like that. I mean, liking.
I don't
but
think it's
everything
cheating,
about it.
but I would just feel like,
But every post.
how stupid is, why not every post किसी लड़की की
Random
randomly like,
लड़की, तो वो
I
तो
would not
पक्का
like
है.
it, उस पे कलेश
हाँ,
होगा, but मैं उसको
होगा.
cheating नहीं बोल सकती.
चीटिंग तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट why the hell did you like it? I mean,
हाँ, I mean, okay, you fine. See,
I
I
would
feel
not
in
like
a,
it.
see what I feel that in a relationship, you can be in a relationship, you can be in love with the person, but you can still physically find other people good looking. Okay, I'm not saying that you're attracted to the other person, or you're sexually attracted to the other. I'm just saying that physically आपको दिखने में कोई इंसान ठीक presentable लग सकता है.
हाँ.
So that is acceptable. That's not cheating. Of course, if my partner likes किसी और लड़की का picture, I won't like it, but I cannot say that it's cheating.
Definitely.
ये हो सकता है कि ठीक है उसको वो दिखने में ठीक लगी एंड उसने उस पिक्चर को लाइक कर दिया, but how can I just call it cheating? I mean,
No.
I can just stop him there. I don't like it. Like, stop doing it. And if he
Yeah.
stops, he respects me. If he doesn't, I'm like, okay, go fuck off. I don't want to be with. But I can't just tell
Call it
him that,
cheating.
bro, this is cheating. It's
हाँ.
not cheating, yaar. I mean, I don't know. I can be wrong.
But
also.
yeah, it is something that could be a root cause to enhance insecurities in your own relationship. है ना? It can lead to insecurities to the partner, and that is not healthy. Definitely not healthy. So you can never call it cheating, but it's just not healthy to take place in a relationship. So I believe not a good idea, guys. Don't do it. Women don't like it when you guys like other girls' pictures.
Yeah, that's true.
Don't do it.
Cheating or no cheating, it's just a deal breaker for us. It's like, okay, if you find her attractive, then you might as well just go and be with her.
Exactly, she said it so
हाँ.
right.
But I still feel that's not cheating. That's irritating है वो, that's not cheating. But okay. Moving forward, next statement is some friendships exist not because they are real, but they are just convenient. Yes, I agree with it. It is happening to me a lot.
I agree as well.
And especially I feel in last 2-3 years, I've met so many atram, shatram, patram people, no? It's all convenience.
Correct. It is
Some friends are like
convenience.
party friends, some friends are like real friends. कभी कभी आगे से भी मुझे पता लगता है कि हाँ मैं उनकी कन्वीनियंस के लिए फ्रेंड हूँ, मैं सिर्फ पार्टी के लिए फ्रेंड हूँ, और मेरे लिए भी कुछ लोग सिर्फ पार्टी के लिए फ्रेंड है. देन आई पुट देम इन द पार्टी कैटेगरी.
बिल्कुल.
People that you know that I can sit with, like as जैसे तू है, so if I sit with you, so basically I think we have reached that point जहाँ पे हमने last podcast में भी बात की थी. Now we have reached that point where the hangout really doesn't matter anymore. If we are doing this podcast, this is also hanging out for us.
Yeah.
And if I go visit, she works in a hospital. If I go visit her, we are having tea in the canteen. That is also basically a hangout for us.
Right.
We have done grocery shopping like for half an hour.
That was
the
the
other
best
day.
hangout ever.
Yeah, and we were talking about, we were gossiping about guys and all these people side के आसपास के लोग, that was also hangout. She comes at my place, we're not talking for like 10 hours, we're just on our phone and then we just sleep. That's also hangout. So friendship का जब ये level पहुंच जाता है ना जहाँ पे it doesn't matter कि आपका hangout क्या है, you're just so comfortable with each other. I think these are real friendships. And convenience wali friendship is to, I think
they
now
never last. They never last.
They
But I
don't
think they're
last.
important as well, I would say, because you need people when you are working, when you are at
Yeah.
work. You need people when you are at gym. You need people
Yeah.
when you are partying. You need people
I
when you
mean-
are doing anything XYZ in life.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean that person is going to stay forever. But I think you should not keep any hard feelings also. That
No hard
yeah,
feelings.
it's
You know
just
what?
for convenience only.
आपको
but
एक थप्पड़ लगता है
Yeah.
एक इंसान से, फिर आपको आपकी जगह पता लग जाती है कि
And if-
इसकी लाइफ में मैं कौन सा फ्रेंड हूँ. अगर मैं इसकी लाइफ में कन्वीनियंस वाला फ्रेंड हूँ तो ठीक है, वो भी मैंने पिछले 6 to 7 months में बहुत रियलाइज किया है कि जिसको मैं अपना बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड मानती थी, बहुत लोगों को, उनके लिए तो मैं सिर्फ कन्वीनियंस का फ्रेंड हूँ. आई वॉज ऑलवेज दैट कन्वीनियंस वाला फ्रेंड कि चलो यार अभी ब्रेकअप हो गया, इसको कॉल कर लेते हैं, चलो यार अभी पार्टी पे जाना है, इसको कॉल कर लेते हैं, चलो. ऐसे 2-3 लोग थे मेरी लाइफ में. एंड आई टोल्ड देम टू फक ऑफ. लाइक व्हाई? बिकॉज मेरी फीलिंग्स बहुत जेन्युइनली अटैच थी. हाँ, बहुत लोगों के लिए, बहुत लोगों के साथ मैंने भी ऐसे किया है कि हाँ मैं सिर्फ पार्टी के टाइम में उनको कॉल करती हूँ. बट देन वी नो वी have that equation, bro. We just party friends, so we're just gonna meet for a party, we'll have a few drinks and then we're gonna be back home. But I mean, I don't understand.
And everybody cannot be your best friend.
Of course, when you're not available, then I have the second friend is not available, then I have a third friend.
Yeah.
So yeah, some friendships are convenience wala friendship.
Driven,
And now that I've understood,
But you also have such friends that you cannot afford to leave at any cost.
Yeah.
You survive on them like a leech. You survive on them and you cannot leave them at any cost. I mean, I'm being grateful. I have such friends and I'll at any cost never afford to leave them.
Yeah.
Let them leave me or I'll leave them. Never. That is never going to happen.
I think I can safely say I have 2 to 3 friends जिनके ऊपर I can count blindly ये मेरा दोस्त है. बाकी honestly I have real big trust issues. So अभी मेरी boundary उन्होंने cross की नहीं है. Maybe लोगों को शायद मेरे behavior से लगता होगा कि ओ ये तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ही close है, बहुत sweet है. Yes, I respect you, but you have to cross that wall and you have to really do something because I put a lot of efforts in a friendship and when I don't get these efforts तो मैं एक wall बना लेती हूँ. And मैंने वो 6-7 months में last में बना ली है वो wall, मतलब बहुत लोगों के साथ कि अभी बस. I think friendship should be two-sided. जैसा प्यार होता है वैसे friendship होती है. It cannot be one-sided and people need to understand that. दोस्ती भी both sided होती है. एक friend pour करता रहेगा friendship bucket में और दूसरा कुछ नहीं करेगा, तो वो भी चलने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. So yeah,
I agree.
Okay, so the next statement. Oh, this is a good one. A side chick isn't always the problem. The committed person is.
Ask from a side chick.
Have you been someone's side chick? Be honest. Ever?
Maybe once. That too I didn't know about it, that I am the side chick. But yeah, I have been, I think, once.
Side chick, like a relationship you had with that person. Like you were going around.
Because
with
I didn't know that I was the side chick.
So you did not know
No,
only?
only, of course.
Oh, I have not been a side chick.
I mean,
होते रह
I
गया.
mean, I'm still not sure if that relationship was going on while I was also the side chick. I mean, I'm not clear about it, but that's what I assume, that I was the side chick.
I was about to be someone's side chick long ago. But back then, I also did not know that this person has just entered into a relationship.
Right.
So this asshole did not tell me
These
that he
assholes.
is in a relationship, and we met, and then it was like, yeah, let's meet, and it was like, and I used to get drunk calls sometimes, and I used to also drunk dial this person, and this was way long back, and then after 2-3 months, I get to know, bloody hell, this guy is in a relationship, and I was like, what the fuck? I'm like, भाई कुछ शर्म है, कोई लाज है, भाई कुछ नहीं है.
And then they brag about their own relationship like
And
something.
this guy has come around while he was in a relationship so many times, and I told him, bro, back off. अभी बस.
Well done.
अभी बस. I mean, बहुत stupid थे पहले तो जब बच्चे होते तो बहुत पहले की बात है. बच्चे होते हैं कॉलेज में तो stupid होते हैं यार, हमें नहीं पता होता. And
मैं
then उसके बाद वो
बोलूँगी हम अभी भी
chapter ही-
stupid ही हैं, we are just learning on our
उसके
way.
बाद वो चैप्टर ही क्लोज हो गया टू कोविड से पहले ही चैप्टर क्लोज हो गया सो दैट वाज वेरी बट देन बैक देन आई वाज 19 व्हाट वेरी यंग so yeah ठीक है things happen guys but I still feel coming back to this the side chick isn't always the problem your partner darling is also the problem
Definitely.
yes often I see this that women they fight with the other women जिसके साथ उनके husband ने cheat किया होता है
हाँ.
and they don't fight with the partner but they're fighting with the other women अरे why are you
Definitely.
behaving I mean why are you pointing your fingers at that woman जब खुद का तुम्हारा सिक्का घर का खोटा है
Exactly.
तुम उसको क्या बोल रहे हो उस
Exactly.
लड़के या लड़की को क्या बोल रहे हो
Exactly. You were in a relationship with XYZ. Talk to XYZ.
XYZ
Yeah.
एंड मैं हमेशा देखती हूँ सबसे ज़्यादा लड़कियों में होता है कि एक लड़की दूसरी लड़की को ब्लेम करती है कि यार मेरे यू स्टोल माई मैन I mean you stole my man
I don't know if that really happens now.
No,
but...
it happens
Oh, God.
okay let me tell you one thing so I was in this relationship for a very small period of time for like 1 month I was in a relationship with this guy decent guy very decent guy for whatever XYZ reasons it did not work out okay so there is this woman this guy hooked up with the guy that I was dating okay and he used to speak shit about her in front of me and जब तक मैंने उस लड़के को डेट नहीं किया था मुझे उस लड़की के बारे में पता ही नहीं था कि वो लड़की एग्जिस्ट भी करती है इस दुनिया में ऐसे नाम की कोई लड़की भी है I had no fucking clue. So this girl used to make faces at me and I used to ask my partner कि why is she making faces at me? What is the problem with her? And then वो मुझे बोलता था अरे छोड़ यार ऐसे ही है no what tell me what is wrong कह रहे no we hooked up once and then things did not pan out the way because she wanted to have a relationship and I did not want to have a relationship so I was like why is she giving me those looks she should give you that look why the fuck is she looking at me like that
Right.
and you also know that girl do you remember she was mocking our podcast when we went
Oh, yeah.
yeah she was mocking our podcast in the beginning
Yeah.
and चलो जो भी है कुत्तों की बात नहीं सुनती मैं
हाँ.
but ठीक है ये वाली चीज़ों ना I was like bro chill I don't know you who are you I don't care who the fuck are you I don't know you I don't care about you मुझे तुम्हारा नाम ही उस लड़के ने बताया था उस लड़के ने जो तुम्हारे बारे में बोला है and I was like bro chill she's a girl don't speak shit and now she's friends with that guy and that guy is dating some other woman she's friends with that girl also clearly she keeps on looking at that guy clearly she's in love with that guy and she speaks shit about me to other people and I'm like bro what have I done if he doesn't love you that's not my problem please go work on yourself do something about yourself and then you speak shit about other
but
people
where the hell you were in I mean what the hell what is this group what the fuck is going on here
everything everybody is crawling on everybody is like
exactly.
a bunch
everybody
of fucking
is
crabs
everybody what the fuck
I'm like you're blaming the other woman for what भाई तू है कौन
I'm glad you're out of that
भाई
group
तू है
only
कौन तू मोदी है तू कौन है कि मैं तेरी बात सुनूं तू है कौन बहन नमस्ते आप अपने घर में अपने भाई मैं उसको जानती भी नहीं थी आई स्वेयर मैं उसको 2023 दिसंबर से पहले मुझे पता भी नहीं था ये लड़की कोई है इस दुनिया में
I mean मेरे expressions ही काफी हैं
why
I would
do
give
you
zero
why
fucks to
I
such
as a
people.
woman to woman I'm telling you guys please stop blaming other women yaar if you have some shit going on with the guy don't blame the other woman why are we fighting with each other over who are you fighting over whom are you fighting what are you doing and you're making a joke out of yourself when you do such things it's so not classy and it's so cheap
It is.
I mean just come on yeah we are all 25 26 27 हम बड़े हो चुके हैं now please get out of that bubble so stop blaming the side chick guys it's always your guy
even if it is the other way around
yeah
I believe even if the woman is cheating I mean cheating is not you should not take it at all but don't talk to the other person talk to your own partner that would be much
Exactly.
beneficial for you because something is definitely wrong with your partner
Imagine
and
a
that partner is not happy do something about it talk to each other but just don't talk to the other person like it makes zero sense
imagine a woman is holding
you don't even know them
imagine a woman is holding a grudge with the other woman why because the guy she once dated did not choose her and she chose the other woman अब उसमें other woman की क्या गलती है
something is wrong with your partner definitely
and something is wrong with you girl go to a psychiatrist you need some pills Okay. Next. Revenge is sometimes justified and it's not toxic. Damn.
Personally, if you talk about me, I don't take revenge. I believe for me, somebody, like, if anybody tries to piss me or do some damage to me, God takes care of it most of the time, and I don't
Yeah.
have to do anything about
Same.
it. Touch wood. I never took any revenge from anybody. My kind of revenge is ignorance, silence, and I believe that's the best revenge taken from somebody who's tried to pull you down or whatever
But
it
do you
is.
think sometimes the people who take revenge का मतलब ये नहीं है कि क्या मतलब revenge मतलब जो basic किसी को तो वो अब toxic नहीं है, justified है कभी-कभी जब लोग बहुत hurt होते हैं.
मतलब I can be a toxic person, but I don't take revenge.
नहीं जो लोग revenge लेते हैं, is that toxic according to you? Depends कैसा type का
Depends.
revenge है, हाँ.
But that's their own way. I would definitely have no views for that thing that कि अगर कोई revenge लेना चाहे वो better है या कोई toxic रहना चाहे. I'm just talking about myself. I don't take revenges, and I think that's better because ignorance is the best thing. Maybe that's toxic. I don't know, but that's what I do. And I believe.
Yeah, I also feel the same. I used to feel कि नहीं इसको बताऊंगी पहले वो, but I think God takes care of it himself. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है, the people that have done me wrong उनके साथ ही गलत हो जाता है. Yesterday I made a reel about it. जब वो लोगों के साथ बुरा होता है, उन लोगों का downfall होता है जिन्होंने मेरे साथ बुरा किया ना लाइफ में, तो बहुत मजा आता है वो देखने में. लोकी, I know that's toxic, but I love it, bro. It's like a free show. इट्स लाइक अ पॉपकॉर्न वाली मूवी. तो जब उन लोगों का डाउनफॉल होता है, जो तुम्हारे साथ बुरे होते हैं, और जब कर्मा उनको थप्पड़ लगाते हैं, तो भाई दिल को बड़ी सुकून सा मिलता है और शांति से मिलती है. एंड इट्स अ गुड थिंग. आई थिंक वी ऑल एंजॉय इट. आई मीन
we do
सी bitches and dogs, they need to be treated
like that.
the way they are. औकात अनुसार.
पहले में भी तुम
भगवान ने भी
revenge
पूरी
लेना बचपन में होता होगा, ये सारी चीज मैंने भी की होंगी. I'm not gonna lie, मैंने लिया हो, शायद कभी तो कुछ हरकत करी हो, रिवेंज लेने का ट्राई किया हो. I was a girl maybe small, but एक टाइम के बाद पेशेंस खत्म हो जाती है. एक टाइम के बाद लगता है कि भाई I don't wanna say the G word, but
yeah, I mean टाइम नहीं है भाई, काम करना है, जिंदगी में पैसा कमाना है, और अभी इन सब के लिए टाइम नहीं है. अब रिवेंज क्या ले, ज्यादा रिवेंज क्या है, तू कुत्ता है, तू बुरा है, तू बुरी है, चल जा. अभी क्या क्या रिवेंज, वो भी अब वो भी बोलने का मन नहीं करता. अभी पता है क्या है, people used to say you block everyone, you're childish. I'm like, bro, I think that's the most mature thing.
Best
I
option
think
to
blocking
have.
someone from Instagram, from your socials, is the most mature thing. It's the best thing, bro. No, out of sight, out of mind. Best.
I have done that to all the people in my toxic people in my college. When I finished my degree, I blocked all those toxic people, removed them from my Instagram, and it felt so
good.
I couldn't take it. I mean, I don't take shit from people.
किसी को सुनाने से बेटर है, किसी को सुनाने से बेटर है. Just fucking, मैं पता है क्या करती हूँ sometimes. If I know that there is a mutual relationship with that person and I have to maintain it, cordial है, socially maintain करना पड़ेगा, I just mute the stories and the post of that person, so it doesn't even come to me. मेरे को notification ही नहीं आती. That's the best way. If you can block somebody, guys, go ahead, take it from me, block that person. I think उससे better तुम्हारे लिए therapy कोई नहीं होगी.
मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ.
Because somebody who has hurt you, प्लीज़ यार, तुमको उसको एक्सेस देने की ज़रूरत नहीं, कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन ही मत दो. जस्ट लीव द लाइफ, जस्ट लीव देयर लाइफ, जस्ट ब्लॉक द पर्सन. और मैं जो करती हूँ, इफ़ यू हैव टू बी सोशली कॉर्डियल टू दीज पीपल, कुछ है कि यू आर बेनिफिटिंग आउट ऑफ देम या गधे को बाप बनाना है, तो जस्ट म्यूट द स्टोरीज. मतलब आई थिंक मेरी म्यूट लिस्ट पे 50 से ऊपर लोग होंगे. आई स्वेयर. You have to, you know, sometimes it's out of obligation. There are some blood relations, there are some relations, you know, मेरे partner के जो friends हैं, some people are just muted them. I don't like them. I don't like to see you, bitch. And I mean, come on, I don't like you. Fuck off. Fuck out of my face.
I think Instagram knows better than
yeah,
us how to
out of my face.
people.
I hate your face. Please, I have to mute you. I'm sounding rude, but I'm in a mood, man. Bring it on. Okay, next. A man can love you and still cheat. Yes.
Happened.
Yes.
It happened.
Yes. It has happened to me.
It happens all the time. I don't know what is wrong with men. What do they want? I don't know. They love you.
They want vaginas.
They tell they want no.
What
girl.
JJ?
They want side chicks. They want दूसरी औरत all the time.
So I saw this reel where this woman was like,
क्या गिफ्ट चाहिए?
हाँ?
क्या गिफ्ट करें लड़कों को? दूसरी औरत? This could be the best gift for a man.
मैंने जो रील देखी थी उसमें the woman was like, a man could be literally washing clothes for you, taking your dog out for a walk, being friends with your family, buy you a diamond ring, buy you a fucking 100 crore rupees jet, आप पूरी प्रॉपर्टी आपके नाम पे कर देगा एंड आपके नाम पे एक आइलैंड कर देगा, आपके बच्चों का बाप बन जाएगा एंड ही कुड स्टिल बी चीटिंग ऑन यू.
For sure.
So never trust a man.
Never.
मुझे
guys.
प्लीज कैंसिल. वैसे ही सबको लगता है मैं मैन हेटर हूँ. बताओ.
Yeah.
See, I'm not a man
ने
hater.
किया है.
I'm a bad human hater. Even if you're a woman, and if you're a man, and if you're a shitty person, I hate you, regardless the gender. I mean, even if, I
agree
should
with
just
you,
shut
totally.
up after this. Okay. Next statement. Therapy is becoming a trend more than a genuine need for some people.
Only guys, only because it's in trend, because we really need therapy. We are ignoring our mental health. We are definitely not taking care of it. Like myself as well, being a doctor, I don't take care of my mental health, and that's why it's a trend. We definitely need therapy.
Therapy is very important, guys. Yes, go get therapy, because if you don't take therapy, people around you will have to take therapy. So please go and take therapy. We all are actually taking therapy because that one person in our family did not choose to take therapy, and now we all are suffering. So please don't make your next generation suffer. Go take therapy so that your children don't suffer, your partner doesn't suffer, and people around you don't suffer. Therapy is very important. And I know a lot of psychologists. If you don't know them, I could send you the links. And please go get your brain sorted. It's very important. People don't have brains nowadays. So.
Even if people have brains, they have lost the capacity to use it.
Yeah. सारा वो जिम में चला जाता है ना दिमाग.
नहीं यार, थेरेपी जरूरी है यार. करा लो अपनी थेरेपी. समय रैना ने भी ली थी थेरेपी यार.
हाँ, उससे भी बोला है कि मेरी थेरेपिस्ट ने मुझे बोला take a deep breath समय. Go take a hot shower.
But Samay didn't take it seriously. I don't know if to take Samay seriously or my therapist seriously, but whatever it is. Samay Raina is good.
Yeah,
I like
watched
watching
that.
him.
Still alive. Yeah, go watch
I
it,
love
guys,
watching
if you
him.
haven't. It made me feel good. Like the things that he said, I just low-key, there are some things that I want to say out loud and you can't. And then दिल की बात बोल देता है. वो दिल से बात खींच के निकालता है और फेंक के मुंह पे मारता है सीधा. चलो, ये भी अच्छा है. काश हम भी ऐसे कर पाए और हमें गालियाँ ना पड़े. तो
ये सिर्फ सुपर पावर समय रैना के पास है.
हाँ. नहीं, बट उसके साथ जो हुआ है, but it was very
उसने लेकिन
bad.
अभी सारा का सारा ब्लेम तो बियर बाइसेप पे डाल दिया है ना.
But that guy is something, man. He has something in him, and crazy था. Still Alive देखा?
हाँ, तभी तो बोल रही हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा था. I could relate to every single bit of it. And last में वो जो बलराज आके उसे हक करता है, मुझे तेरी याद आई. I was like, you need one friend, bro. That
you may do all the fuck ups, but you need that one friend to be by your side.
True, bro. True.
To keep you in your delusions.
I would hide a dead body for you. I'm telling you. I would do that. So yeah, you need a friend like that. She would also do that, guys. Yes. And even if she has to make pieces, she will do that. Just kidding. Okay. Next, being neutral in certain situation is actually taking the wrong side. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
There's always a right and a wrong, and if you're being neutral about something, of course you're hiding. तुम cover up कर रहे हो wrong side.
हमेशा neutral रहना सही नहीं होता.
वो वाले फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ना, उसने तेरे साथ बुरा किया है पर मेरे साथ तो नहीं किया ना, तो मैं तो उसके साथ न्यूट्रल रहूंगा ना.
बट जो कोई कितना भी तुम्हारा फ्रेंड हो, तुम्हें हमेशा सच और जो सही है उसी का ही, मतलब मैं प्रचार नहीं करना चाहती, आई डोंट लाइक इट, बट सच में कभी तो अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि कुछ बहुत बड़ा ब्लंडर तुम्हारे दोस्त के साथ ही हो जाए, वो भी सही नहीं है. अपने दोस्त को भी सही बता दो, इतनी भी डिलूलू और बटरिंग मत करो, सच बता दो, ताकि वो भी आगे जाके जैसे उसकी मम्मी करती है उसके साथ तुम भी वो कर दो, बेटर रहेगा.
But what I feel is my take on this, she's right. I agree with you totally, 100%. You are not a real friend if you can be friends with somebody who did wrong to your friend or someone you know. You are not a real friend. आप उस इंसान के दोस्त नहीं हो. If Bhavika is my friend and उसके साथ किसी ने बहुत गलत किया है, I make sure I am not hanging out with that person.
Same.
मैं उसके साथ ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. If you can be very neutral and hi, how are you, what's up, let's hang out with that person जिसने आपके friend के साथ बुरा किया, I'm sorry to say you're a very bad friend, very bad friend, and इससे कुछ बुरा हो ही नहीं सकता. And I have had so many friends. आज when I look back, जो मेरी life में लोग नहीं हैं, I used to have this friend who used to be friends with a group that used to speak shit about me. She used to come and tell me कि they are speaking shit about you. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट आई यूज टू फील कि यार मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है कि ये वहाँ पे क्यों जा रही है और ये मुझे आके बता रही है, तो उसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया वहाँ पे. एक तो ये उस ग्रुप सेटिंग में भी जा रही है एंड इसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया. अब मैं जब लुक बैक करती हूँ उस चीज़ पे, देन डाउन द लाइन हमारी फ्रेंडशिप किसी और चीज़ को लेके वी ब्रोक अप. अब मुझे वो चीज़ें बहुत खटकती है क्योंकि मैं हमेशा पता है क्या करती थी, फ्रेंड्स को बेनिफिट ऑफ द डाउट देती थी. पीपल प्लीजिंग थी मेरे अंदर कि नहीं यही सही होगी, यही सही होगी. नाउ आई एम लाइक ठीक है, यू आर रॉन्ग, आई रिस्पेक्ट यू, लेट्स जस्ट बी कॉर्डियल, ओके. क्योंकि मैं अब कुछ भी बोलूँगी ना, उस आई डोंट थिंक मैं अपने आप को ही जस्टिफाई कर पाऊँगी. आई एम गोइंग टू बी रॉन्ग टू माई सेल्फ. सो अब नहीं हो पाता है भाविका, नहीं हो पाता है. सो प्लीज़ इफ़ यू हैव समबडी हु इज़ फ्रेंड्स विद समवन हु इज़ डन रॉन्ग टू यू, डोंट टेक इट ब्रो, दे आर नॉट योर रियल फ्रेंड्स. जस्ट मेंटेन योर डिस्टेंस.
मतलब मेरे साथ तो ये भी है, अगर खुशी कभी लाइफ में किसी को डेट किया हो पास्ट में, उसका कोई एक्स हो, कोई भी हो, मैं उससे बहुत अच्छे टर्म्स पे भी हूँ, मैं उससे बहुत अच्छे से बात भी करती हूँ. लेकिन अगर उसने इसको छोड़ दिया या कभी उसके बारे में बस कुछ हो गई इनकी अनबन, दैट इज़ द लास्ट डे ही सीइंग मी.
Yeah.
I'll block him.
My exes
I'll remove
hate
him.
her, by the way.
No matter what.
हाँ, मेरा एक ex जो था, जो बचपन में कॉलेज में बहुत serious relationship था. In college I used to have. So she met him like we were very young, 17. तो बच्चे वाला relationship होता है. And then once he told me, once we broke up after 1.5 years, जब breakup के बाद हमारी normally बात हुई, उसने मुझे बोला I don't like Bhavika. मैंने कहा why? मुझे she's मेरे पे मुंह बनाती रहती है ना. मैंने कहा that's her job, bro. That's a job, bro. I trained her for that. What do you think? Where is it coming from?
Because boy, when you hurt my friend's heart, I keep her right. I pamper her all the time.
तूने जब लात
You
मारी तो
keep
उसी
on
ने संभाला.
breaking her heart. You keep on torturing her. That's why you are the ex now.
And she's still there.
I'm still there.
High five.
Yeah.
Oh God. Okay, next statement. Being offended doesn't make you right.
It doesn't.
It's a pretty simple statement.
हाँ.
It doesn't make you right. हाँ.
तो क्या
Just
ही comment
because
करूँ मैं?
हाँ, just बात समझो भाई. शब्द मत समझो, बात भी समझो. हाँ. You are a shitty person. I understand.
हो जाओ offend.
Some people use astrology as an excuse for their behavior and others' behavior. Oh God, I hate that.
But I do.
I hate that. Okay, listen, guys. If you are a shitty person, you are a shitty person. You're not a Scorpio, you're not a Leo, you're not a Sag. You are a shitty person. You have to understand that. If you are a bad person, you're rude to people, please don't blame it on the stars. ठीक है, वो है आसमान में.
हाँ, मतलब वो तो ठीक है. Behavior is justified.
हाँ, I mean, if you're a rude person, you're a rude person. Please don't blame it on the zodiac sign that I'm a Scorpio, I'm a Leo, you're a Pisces, you're this, you're that, you're that. Nah, nah, nah. Shut up, please, please. It's you who are a shitty person. It's your upbringing. It's your manners. Go fix yourself. Don't blame it on the astrologer and the stars.
रोना धोना जो होता है, ड्रामा जो बचता है, रोना धोना, वो मैं ब्लेम करती हूँ मेरे प्लैनेट्स की वजह से.
This stupid Mercury retrograde, I understand it's blowing up our minds and whatever is going on. But guys, please, if you're a shitty person, stop.
That is not justified. मतलब अपना behavior पे justify करना सही है.
And लोग वो कर देते, generalize कर देते. Leos are so snobbish. भाई मैंने तुमको कभी बोला कि मुझे हाँ
तो मैं नहीं करना
मैंने तुमको कभी बोला कि तुम क्या हो, तुम
ऐसे,
Aquarius हो, तुम strong
I
headed
believe
हो,
in
तुम ये हो,
astrology.
तुम वो हो. हाँ, I also believe in astrology, but I cannot use it as an excuse for my shitty behavior.
Not
yeah.
for my shitty behavior.
I mean, I know Leos are the best, but whatever. I'm not generalizing.
I have a weak moon. That's why I'm a bit गुस्सैल, angry,
But people have this
moody.
misconception about Leos, that Leos are very snobbish and they are very overcon. No, we have like the biggest heart.
But
हमारा
they are the
दिल बहुत बड़ा
liveliest
है.
people I've ever met. Leos are the liveliest people.
And people don't
And I
understand
love that.
If you have a Leo friend, you're very lucky, guys.
I am.
Very lucky. We fire signs are just bang on.
Yeah.
And Leo and Sagittarius, तो साथ में जो मिल she's a Sagittarius, so yeah. मेरी Sagittarian से बहुत बनती है और Libran से बहुत बनती है, so yeah. दो मैं एक लियो को टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाती बिकॉज मुझे टेंशन चाहिए
Like हो जाता है ना वो, फिर एक जैसा इंसान.
ओके नो वी आर यूजिंग एस्ट्रोलॉजी एज एन एक्सक्यूज सो नो
Okay, no. I told you.
ओके मनी मेक्स यू मोर ऑफ हु यू आर yes
Yes.
yes
Yes.
100% yes okay so that's true money will never change you money doesn't change you money only makes you more of who you are अगर आप एक गंदे बुरे इंसान हो तो वो आपको और गंदा और बुरा इंसान बनाता है if you're snobbish आपका जो आपको पसंद है लोगों को नीचा दिखाना तो जब आपके पास पैसा आएगा आप उस चीज़ को और करने लगोगे if you're humble you become more humble when you have more money. I think
Totally agree.
money reveals your true character.
That's true.
That's why so many people who have money around, like I've seen so many people in my circle, in my partner circle, they have so much money, but buddhi zero, akkal zero.
Well, I have an example for that. Too much money. Let's give an example. Ratan Tata on the one hand, and on the other side, who was that island wala? Island.
Epstein files.
Epstein guy, right?
Yeah.
So two totally different
Yeah,
people.
money makes you of
Money
money
made him that, and money made Ratan Tata.
money makes you more of who you are.
Exactly, and I think
So
that's
guys,
the best line.
पैसा सबके पास आ जाता है. I don't think पैसे को संभालने की नीयत and how you flow with that money in the social settings, how you are in the social settings with that amount of money. I don't think money can get you class. I have seen so many people. I've seen so many people having 500 crores, 100 crores, 50 crores net worth इतनी है उनकी and they find peace and happiness दूसरे लोगों को नीचा दिखाने में. I've seen so many people and they still feel carrying a Chanel bag or a Louis bag or I don't know, or a Hermes bag makes them superior from other people. Babe, come out of that bubble. People are doing so much. There's so much in the world that's going on. You need to come out of that bubble. It's more than the material things in life. And at the end of the day, when you die and you're in your grave, you're not going to be carrying your Hermes. You're not going to be having that Louis Vuitton ka chappal with you. End of the day, you'll only be having your loved ones.
While we were on our way to this place, I was with her mom, and she told me the exactly same thing. She said कि सब भाविका ऐथे ही रह जाना है, कुछ तू अपने नाल लेके नहीं जाना. उनका आंटी बिल्कुल सही बोल रही, मतलब the way she said it, the way she was trying to say was कि हम लोग इतना पीछे पीछे मरते हैं, ये प्रॉपर्टी वो ये सब, बट एक्चुअल में हमने अगर मज़े ही नहीं करे, हम एग्जॉस्ट हो गए इनके चक्कर में, हमने अपने माइंड को रेस्ट ही नहीं दिया, हमने लाइफ जी ही नहीं. क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बोला बेटा जो मर्जी कर तू, मतलब आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू, शी सेड कि तू जो कर रही है अपनी लाइफ में, इतनी मेहनत कर रही है, सब कर रही है, इट्स जस्टिफाइबल, बट तू अगर इन्जॉय नहीं कर रही है देन दैट्स वेरी रॉन्ग. एंड आई थिंक वो जो हम बनाते हैं, पैसे के पीछे भागते हैं, इतनी चीज़ें करते हैं, मटीरियलिज्म के पीछे भागते हैं. I mean, money is very important, but not at the cost of your own sanity. So,
simple सी बात है, guys. On one fine Tuesday, you might not wake up.
Exactly.
And if you have 100 crores in your bank account, what are you going to do with it, man?
Exactly.
So if you are earning, please spend, enjoy your life. Save also. For a rainy day, you must save, but enjoy your life. If you're earning for yourself. उस पैसे को छाती पे लेके तो जाना नहीं है. So जिंदगी किसी भी रैंडम ट्यूसडे पे योर हार्ट माइट जस्ट स्टॉप बीटिंग एंड देन व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू विद दैट मनी इज जस्ट गोइंग टू बी पास्ड ऑन टू योर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. दैट्स गुड, बट यू अर्न सो मच, यू हैव डन सो मच ऑफ मेहनत इन योर लाइफ, फॉर व्हाट मैन? सो जस्ट एन्जॉय योर लाइफ, मेक अ बैलेंस. आई मीन टेक ट्रिप्स. ये लाइफ एक ही बार आती है एंड ठीक है, वर्क इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, इट्स नॉट योर लाइफ. enjoying is your life. So work is just a part. उसको पार्ट बना के रखो, काम को अपनी जिंदगी मत बनाओ. एंड जो आप इंजॉय करते हो, जो आप टाइम अपने लव्ड वंस के साथ स्पेंड करते हो, वो आपकी मेन लाइफ है भाई. उस चीज़ को समझो. आई थिंक ये समय रैना ने भी अभी बोला था एक उसमें, it was so bang on. काम तो सिर्फ तुम्हारी जिंदगी का एक पार्ट है यार.
His father said this thing कि उसने अपने पापा को बोला, पापा मतलब बिकॉज कोई उसका फ़ोन उठा के कुछ उसको रियल एडवाइस नहीं दे पा रहा था. इन दी एंड समय ऑल्सो वेंट टू आस्क हिज ओन फादर एंड
आखिर में तो माँ बाप ही काम
हिज फादर सेड हिम दैट कि तुम्हारे बोलने की कीमत है. वो शो चल रहा था, तुम बोल रहे थे क्योंकि उससे उसकी कीमत है, ना कि उस शो की कोई कीमत. शो फिर से बन जाएगा, उसमें क्या है, बट तुम हो. दैट्स वाई दैट शो इज नॉट दैट शो इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू आर बिकॉज दैट शो इज वर्किंग. उन्होंने ये बात बोली थी उसको.
That's true.
एंड दैट इज सच अ ग्रेट एडवाइस.
So guys, yeah, our take on this is that even if you get money, please don't be a shitty person. Even if you are a shitty person, try to be a good person. And पैसा बहुत लोगों का दिमाग ख़राब कर देता है. I have seen so many live examples, people with a lot of money, but they are so shitty. They speak shit to me about other people, then they speak shit about me to other people. And the weird thing is, everybody is in a same group and everybody is discussing, so everybody knows everything. And still, you know, people out of obligation, because there are some people who have money, they have to maintain these relations. So I mean, at the end of the day, you're going to grow old, and then what? And then nothing. You're just going to die one day. So this money is just going to go in vain. Earn money, उसे उड़ाओ. Be a good person. Be nice to everyone. Be humble. सर पे मत चढ़ाओ पैसे को. It's very important. Okay. Next statement. If a friend only shows up when they need you, they are not your friend. They are a user, of course.
वो तो हम बात कर ही चुके हैं.
I think. Yeah. I have a lot of people still in my life who I have to call friends, but I know that they are using me, but now I've also started using them. Okay. If they cheated with you, they will cheat on you.
True.
Yeah, once a cheater, always a cheater.
Always a cheater.
Yeah. If somebody is cheating on his partner, मेरे साथ, तो जो अगर हम भी साथ हो गए तो बेटा वो बदलने तो वाला नहीं है. वो भी चीट करेगा, क्या पता मैं भी करूँ. आई थिंक फितरत लोगों की नहीं बदलती है. सो या, वंस अ चीटर ऑलवेज अ चीटर. जो किसी के साथ रह के मुंह मार सकता है, तो आपके साथ रह के भी कहीं भी मुंह मार सकता है.
उसके लिए एक बार करना मुश्किल था, उसने एक बार कर लिया, बार-बार
चीटिंग इज अ हैबिट ब्रो. चीटिंग इज अ हैबिट. चीटिंग इज अ कैरेक्टर ऑफ अ पर्सन.
एग्जैक्टली. इट टेल्स अ लॉट अबाउट.
इट इज नॉट अ मिस्टेक. बोलते हैं चीटिंग इज अ मिस्टेक. एक बार होती है मिस्टेक. जब बार-बार, मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है, पार्टनर इज अनअवेयर, मतलब वो बंदी डाल रही है उसके लिए पोस्ट, यू आर द लव ऑफ माई लाइफ, आई लव यू सो मच, दिस ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. भाई पार्टनर लगा हुआ है. वो बंदी इतनी अनअवेयर है, उसको पता ही नहीं है कि भाई इसका पार्टनर कर क्या रहा है. या बंदा भी कितना अनअवेयर है कि भाई इसकी बंदी कर क्या रही है. बट ठीक है यार, इफ़ यू आर इन लव, आई जस्ट प्रे टू गॉड कि जो लोग ऐसे करते हैं उनके साथ भी यही होना चाहिए. So yeah, if your partner is good to you, you have no reason to cheat, you have nothing, you are happy in a relationship, वो तुमको सब दे रहा है जो तुम्हें चाहिए, और फिर तुम जाके मुंह मार रहे हो कहीं पे बाहर. And one more personal take, if I feel your partner is not good, your partner is fucking toxic, you don't like your partner, तो इतने guts रखो जाके कि अपने partner को बोल दो I'm not happy with you and I don't want to leave. I mean, I don't want to.
Simple, साफ बात.
Yeah, that I am not happy with you and I don't want to be with you, and I just don't find, you know, and it goes for everyone. It goes for you. It goes for anyone. I mean, कब तक छुपा लोगे यार? वो guts लेकर आओ अपने अंदर, बोल दो कि मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. हो सकता है यार, कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि पार्टनर बहुत टॉक्सिक है. कितने रिलेशनशिप में लोग पिटते हैं, लोग मार खाते हैं, लोग खुश नहीं होते. पार्टनर इज वेरी टॉक्सिक, मे बी द वाइफ और द हस्बैंड, बट जस्ट बोल दो उनको and just leave the relationship and just go. And then you do whatever fuck you want to do in life. I feel that. That's what I feel. Okay. Men cheat for physical reasons. Women cheat for emotional reasons.
True.
I think men cheat because they want to cheat. They're just bored. Women cheat when they're done with the relationship. Yeah. Women mostly cheat when they are like, अब मेरे को इससे प्यार नहीं है, अब मेरा हो गया है. And men mostly cheat because it's a one night stand. ठीक है, they find the other girl attractive,
well,
but
as simple as that, men are after दूसरी औरत because they always keep on finding this thing कि हमें एक change चाहिए, हमें newness चाहिए. For men that is
women
attraction,
will stick,
but women
Yeah.
Women need emotional stability, emotions, and they might only chase somebody else or find somebody else if that is not getting fulfilled from the partner, if the partner is not giving time to that person, if the partner is not available emotionally, then only a woman cheats. Otherwise, I don't think there
Yeah,
is
मुझे
any
ऐसे
woman
लगता
who
है
cheats.
that's also my opinion. You are right. A woman cheats when she's done with the man.
Right.
She's fallen out of love and she's just done and she's
हाँ.
like अब मैं इस बंदे को definitely किसी दिन तो छोड़ने वाली हूँ.
Exactly.
She will then cheat. A
Because-
man cheats
Hmm.
just because he's bored. ये होता है, बहुत बार होता है ऐसा कि but I don't want to generalize again ऐसा, but मैंने ज़्यादातर cases जो सुने उसमें
Maybe
यही होता
वैसा वर्षा होता है, I know होता
है.
है.
हो भी सकता है.
नहीं
हाँ.
होता है, लेकिन most of the times यही होता है.
Most of the times.
हाँ.
It takes a lot of courage for a woman to cheat, I feel.
Very tough, very tough.
I think when जब लड़कियों का हो जाता ना कि अब नहीं हो पा रहा, I
Because
think
we
इसमें
are
कुछ
not-
बचा नहीं
We
है.
are actually बचपन से हम वैसे बने नहीं है ना, हमें हमारा स्क्रू ऐसा नहीं, मतलब
I don't know,
कैसे
कुछ
कहेंगे?
लड़कियों के स्क्रू में होता है कि when a how can I explain it? जब एक औरत चीट करती है ना, she's already given up on a relationship. I don't know if this helps you or not. If you are with somebody who has a partner and she's a woman, understand that a woman has definitely given up on that relationship. But men, they never leave the main girl. It's
I think
always just out of curiosity that they cheat and always out of attraction. So yeah.
Only because it is normal in our society for men to cheat, and easier because it has been happening like that
Yeah.
for a long time, and women in India specifically have been wired like that. That's the right word, that we are supposed to stay with one person, and we are like that. Honestly, no mother teaches her daughter to keep on changing, boom, boom, boom. But I
Daughter
think-
or the son also, nobody
Right.
teaches.
Nobody teaches like
Nobody
that.
teaches.
And especially women have been wired like that, that you have to be obedient, be nice to your partner, and take whatever shit they tries, because that's what you see in your household. Again, same things that are on the internet right now. But for men it's much easier to cheat, much easier, because it is more accepted in society, and for women it's not accepted in society.
But now I think Bhavika, everything has become modern. मैं तेको
Now
बताती
it
हूँ,
has,
लड़कों की फील्डिंग ज़्यादा इंटरनेट पे सेट हो रही है
set हो रही है,
आजकल.
हाँ.
And मैं तेको एक सच्ची बात बताऊँ, what I feel now, I think women are cheating more.
That is true.
Because
That is
women
because
are-
they are not taking shit anymore. That is the reason.
I don't know
They
shit
are
anymore,
independent now.
but that's wrong.
Yeah.
That's wrong. You should not cheat.
हाँ, you should.
चाहे आप
नहीं,
इंडिपेंडेंट
cheating
हो, चाहे आपके
justified
पास
नहीं
10
है.
करोड़ हो, cheating is cheating.
But I'm just saying, coming out of that relationship is justified if it's not serving you. Cheating is not justified, definitely, but that is happening now. That is happening more now.
On that note, I think we have discussed a lot of controversial
was
opinions,
fun.
and we have given a lot of controversial takes also. And I mean, take it if the shoe fits. Be my Cinderella, or I don't mind. That's about it, guys. And please follow, like, and subscribe our channel, because we need to monetize our channel, guys. If you need more videos, come on.
Guys, please, I request you on every video ending that please subscribe.
सब्सक्राइब कर लो यार, छोड़ दो सब्सक्राइब करके, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
कुछ नहीं करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है. अरे अपने रिश्तेदार हो तुम तो कर दो. तुम भी ऐसे जा रहे हो, करो जल्दी.
अब तो भीख मांग रहे हैं भाभी. अब तो अनसब्सक्राइब कर दे.
मुझे पता है मेरे रिलेटिव्स ने भी मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है ना.
वही नहीं करेंगे, वो क्यों करेंगे तुझे सब्सक्राइब ब्रो.
करो जल्दी. मुझे लगता है मेरे पापा ने मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है.
स्मेल आ रही है तो सोचती है ना आग कहाँ लगी है, वहीं लगी है.
नहीं, मेरे रिलेटिव्स तो अच्छे हैं यार.
बोलना पड़ता है, गाइस. ओके, दैट्स अबाउट इट. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट. बाय.